The Statue of Unity is the world's tallest statue with a height of 182 meters or 597 feet located in the state of Gujarat in India. There are a number of interesting facts that you might not know about this man-made wonder. Let's find out all of them in today's video. The Statue of Unity depicts India's statesman and independent activist Vallabhbhai Patel, who was the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of independent India and an ardent of Mahatma Gandhi. Patel was highly respected for his leadership in uniting 562 princely states of India to form the single Union of India. In Gujarat, the statue is found on the Narmada River in the Kevadiya colony, facing the Sardar Sarovar Dam 100 kilometers southeast of Vadodara. Fact number 1. At 182 meters, Statue of Unity is the tallest statue in the world. Fact number 2. Over 3,000 workers, including 300 engineers from Larsen & Toubro, built the statue within 3.5 years. Fact number 3. Statue of Unity will turn from its original bronze color to green in 100 years due to a natural aging process. Fact number 4. The statue will be able to withstand earthquakes and wind speed up to around 100 kilometers per second. Fact number 5. 4 high-speed lifts are fitted in the statue's legs. Each lift can carry 26 people to the top in just above 30 seconds. Fact number 6. The statue has a viewing gallery at 153 meters from where around 200 people can have a panoramic view of the Sardar Sarovar Dam and the Satpura and the Vindhyachal mountain ranges. Things to know before going to the Statue of Unity. Statue of Unity is open from Tuesday to Sunday and is closed on Monday. The timings are from 8 am to 6 pm. Visitors usually spend 2 to 3 hours visiting the statue. In terms of tickets and pricing, you have 4 options. I hope you found this video really informative. If you did, please do like it and also share this video with your friends and relatives. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe as there are a lot more interesting videos coming up.